Problem is you go one size gear smaller. I don't know if it's going to be enough to not cause whine.
Oh, right.
Might be enough to work freely, but you know about the whine. She might have a whiny motor. That'll contradict all the rattling from all the other crap being loose. So it kind of cancels each other out. It should be quiet. Sounds like a good plan?
Yeah, exactly. It's a combination.
Comes off easier. But still, doesn't exactly fall off.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, it's we have plenty of cam corners. Just making sure. Okay, so when you start putting washers on here and figuring out what I need to do on that. And this here is definitely going to be a bit harder coming off now. Because somebody got carried away putting it on last time. Not sure who that was though. Make sure you always support your shaft with a protector. Otherwise it'll expand the shaft and it'll lock up the bushing again. You can split it. I've seen them split wide open. It wasn't very tight. I'm expecting a lot more pop than that. Kind of disappointing. Stupid Harley parts. I guess the only like genuine Harley shafts are not aftermarket.
Right. Rejected the expensive part.
Yeah. Jim's pinion shaft wasn't good enough. Okay, so yellow and red, no good. Does not like Harley parts. Okay, do you want S&S or do you want gems? This one costs more.
Let's go S&S.
You got racing stuff instead of high post. Good. Okay. It appears somebody's been in there before. Higher quality looking than that last piece of crap we had. Who made that last one we had? This one slid right on there too. Good and tight. Okay, what are we going to use for shimming material, boss?
Trim material. What do we have?
Valve shims. Those will work. They did fit in there.
Yeah, they fit nice.
Cam shims and rocker shims. Probably rocker shims are closer. Ooh, those are precision fit. Those are right on the money. Rocker shims are right on the money. So which one do you like? With a both? Got a preference?
Probably the rocker shimmer has more surface area, right?
Yeah.
Better off.
Cost more probably. Probably
Standard around here.
Probably about the same. How about a combination of both?
Just
See, these are 1/16 of an inch thick. And we know we need a lot.
right.
And then we put a 25 on top of that. There, that'll do it. That way it spreads the load on here. You don't want it to sink in that hole right there. Okay. Now this one over here. Now this one had a lot of in-play also because it had the whole shaft was bouncing on it. So I think it was good for one, what you do for the other, right? Big thick one, thin one.
Perfect.
We can play around with that as we need. So we'll see what we need now that we got something to go by. Okay, this goes in there like that. Stupid breather there. Okay, mark, 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 and blue mark. We got a lot of gears on there, a lot of washers, I mean. Didn't feel any different. It still felt tight. Still might be. Just because we change out the gear doesn't mean it's going to get tighter, looser, I mean. We don't have no idea what that Harley gear was.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that one got tight. Okay, that's too much. This one's still not even close.
Oh.
Still touching. Still got a mega
gap.
amount. This one locked up, so it doesn't have enough. Well, that was a quick test. All right. That was tight. It's way tighter than it was. I think this gear is tighter than the Harley gear. Sneaking up on it.
Yeah.
This is the biggest one they make. That ought to tighten it up. Would that be too much?
It's a lot.
I mean, I added 2.
Yeah.
Well, so it's got 1.5 and 1. We can do a half. And then we put the 25 on there. Yeah, it's tight. Push it on now. There it goes. It's tight. Ooh, that one walk up there. Oh, we finally got it. Too much. Quite a bit too much. And that thing's tight. There's no way that's looser. That cam gear. There ain't no damn way. I'm fighting it way too much. I know for a fact that thing is tighter than it was.
There's no way to measure.
Yeah, you can measure them. The end result is you put it together and see what it really is.
Right.
Then you know. The end result is test it and you know for sure what you got. So more than likely we're going to have to turn that and do a different gear.
Oh, really?
The penny gear ain't getting the job done, so we got to do something different. This might just be SMS has made wrong. BDL said everything's wrong with SMS. Ooh, this one's a new one. This one hasn't been opened yet. Jeez. You know this is going to be a good one. Virgin one. Look at that. Still got lubricant on it.
Oh.
Can't ask for better than that. That stupid ass used S&S stuff you put in there.
You gonna really tap it on?
Gently torque the snot out of it, yes. When it quits moving, it's the right torque. Actually, I had one of those split ones. They blamed it on me. I said, you're full of crap. Better not put that in a running bike if it broke that easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. problem. Continue to do on. How to get a sign. It's tight. She's a tight, boss. Okay, let's see what we got for in play. Okay, we are tight on in play still over here. You barely hear something. Do you hear it? Washer's loose. I'm thinking that's big. What do you think?
A little tight.
So Harley's our smallest gear.
Wow. Smaller than the other one was, wasn't it?
Yeah, smaller than that one too. And the Gems is definitely bigger than the S&S. So when things just don't fall right on, you know you got problems.
Mm-hmm.
You don't really have to put together to know that. So I can't get the thing to come off.